Going to make my Kokoro. I have used this. I'm going to use this my maize flour, and I measured with this cup that is already in here. Sorry, I didn't show you earlier. And a little bit of sugar. I place it in here. Then now I'm going to add my salt, just a little bit pinch of salt. Actually, salt is not too nice. And I'm going to place in a little bit of my garlic. Yes, I have to use a little bit of spoon of garlic, and because actually I love the garlic. I love garlic on all my food, so that is why I'm going to put a little bit of garlic. If actually you don't want to use garlic, you can skip that recipe. Yes, just a little bit of my garlic in, and I'm going to put also a little bit of my pinch pepper, just a pinch of pepper. That is what I want. And now we can start mixing to get our dough for our long life. Yes, wash it out. Got to play in water. So then you can stir. And the quantity of the water is not enough. You can sweep for everything in and stir. So watch out and see. Watch out. So we are still going to stir till we get our perfect that stretching dough we want for the long life. So just watch. So this is my dough here. My dough has already, so I am about to start cutting. Yeah, now my Kokoro called Long Life. So watch out because I'm about to start cutting. So I'm going to try teach you another style of making what we're doing in Africa. How to make it to become the spiral shape. Yes, if you want that, you can try different shape of your long life. So I'm gonna dip it first in after one different type of shape you want for your long life. You can also make it like that. I'm already started eating my long life. So yummy. I love this snack. This can be very good. Those of us who don't love to eat much biscuits, sugar. It's very good recipe to stop hunger. If you don't want to eat much, you can just swallow and bite it. In Africa, I don't know. I think in Nigeria, when we used to eat it, the taste of this is really very delicious. You know, when we are small, I think they use palm oil. Don't think they use granite oil because the taste sometimes when you put it in your mouth, the oil sticks on your tongue. So definitely I'm seeing it now that I think they use palm oil, or I don't know, or maybe not a clean oil, because the taste of this is really very natural. So crunchy. This is really lovely. I can use this as my meal for today. This is very nice. Very brown, crunchy. The kids gonna love it definitely.
Mommy. Now one my slippers.
Very lekker.
Lekker.
long life for the first time. This is what we call long life in Africa.
Let's do that.
Yes.
Wait,
So now the kids are enjoying the long life already. See, they are eating up the brownie side. And this is my different shape of my long life. Please stay enjoy with us. Today is my hand tutorial of my long life. The kids are eating and eating and eating. So today, I see my kids, they are crying more, crying more for it. You guys can eat this. Here's my tutorial.
Yummy!
Yummy, yummy. So, this was my end tutorial of my long life, crunchy long life. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch more of my beautiful videos.
Please also.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye.